This article is from Economist, and the section is Economist Impact. And Economist is the UK magazine, I think, and it features Ireland this time. And it's about the organization called IDA Ireland. And the title is Silicon Oil, How Ireland is Growing Tomorrow's Technology. Semiconductors are at the core of Ireland's collaborative tech transformation. The world's semiconductor giants are at the forefront of a new era of AI-powered technologies, with record global sales and rapid growth predicted over the next 5 years. Ireland has been in the vanguard of change, emerging early as a robust hub for innovation and advanced manufacturing in this industry. Half of the world's top 30 semiconductor multinationals now operate in Ireland. Wow, 30. Conducting cutting-edge research and operating some of the most advanced fabrication facilities, fabs, to be found anywhere in the world. Right, cutting-edge, state-of-the-art research of fabrication facilities, fabs, right, fabs, fabrication facilities. Among these industry leaders is Analog Devices Inc., ADI, a Massachusetts-based corporation that first expanded outside the United States by establishing operations in Ireland in 1976. Analog Devices. I should buy their stock, right? I'm trying to buy American stocks this week. Among these industry leaders, right? The solutions we develop play a significant role in accelerating progress and enabling advancements across various applications, from automated vehicles to robotic surgery, says Martin Carter, ADI's Senior Vice President of Vertical Business Units and President of EMEA. Ireland plays a critical strategic role in our ability to capitalize on these opportunities, serving not just as a manufacturing hub, but as a center for innovation and customer engagement. Strategic support for key sectors. Ireland has positioned itself as a staging ground for industrial transformation, offering an open economy and a pro-business environment. A staging ground, right? Ireland has positioned itself as a staging ground for industrial transformation, offering an economy and pro-business environment. Pro-business environment, right? I did that 180. Ireland has positioned itself as a staging ground for industrial transformation. It also provides priority support for key industries such as semiconductors. This includes financial investments, serviced land banks, and other services to accelerate innovation and expansion. ADI is currently benefiting from this support through two major projects at its Limerick site. Limerick site. The first is ADI Catalyst. That's project, right? 100 million euro co-creation accelerator that brings customers directly into the R&D process. We have ADI and customer engineers collaborating on adopting solutions, explains Mr. Carter. This collaboration has been transformative significantly shortening the life cycle from idea to prototype to real-world deployment. The 100,000 square feet facility, 1,000 square foot facility it's a foot or feet? 1,000 feet facility. I think a foot, right? The 100,000 square foot facility provides a unique working environment in which customers, business partners, and suppliers can interact with ADI's expertise, technology, and support infrastructure. A second more sustainable project is underway nearby. A 630 million euro investment in the next generation R&D facility and fab is expected to triple ADI's European production capacity. This project is supported by the Irish government through IDA Ireland and is undertaken in partnership with the EU's important projects common European interest, IPCEI initiatives. The upgrade and expansion here has leveraged proprietary technologies and Ireland's renewable energy availability to make it one of the world's most energy and water efficient semiconductor facilities. Ireland plays a critical strategic role in our ability to capitalize on opportunities, serving not just as a manufacturing hub, but as a center for innovation and customer engagement. Martin Carter, Senior Vice President of Vertical Business Units and President of EMEI ADI. Talent generation will boost innovation. ADI's expansion will see its workforce in Ireland continue to grow, with more than half of its employees engaged in high-value R&D. Ireland's established technology ecosystem generates and attracts a rich concentration of skills. The country boasts the EU's highest number of STEM graduates aged 20 to 29. ADI has also sponsored education initiatives, including a residency-based master's degree in software engineering that accelerates graduation time from 5 years to 4. Residency-based master's program. A residency-based master's degree. So basically, you just reside where you are. You don't have to come to school. Ireland is pro-talent economy, pro-business, pro-talent economy, or pro-learning, pro-talent economy that provides ADI with a highly skilled, globally minded workforce, says Mr. Carter. ADI remains committed to being a great place to work, fostering an environment where all employees can thrive. Ireland is building its future around sustainable growth and innovation. It provides financial and advisory support to what? To help businesses to build. Yeah, that's British English, right? To help businesses build efficiency and circularity into their operations. For tech companies such as ADI, this means developing the hardware and software that will enable Ireland and the world to achieve their net zero emissions. At ADI, we seek to use our expertise, analog data industry, and leadership to create solutions that solve the world's greatest problems, including sustainability. Our technologies are instrumental for the measurement, control, and efficiency of systems from batteries to motors to buildings. This makes sustainability both an ESG objective and a core area of innovation for ADI, Mr. Carter explains. Analog, right? It's a catalyst, right? ADI. Analog Devices Inc. ADI. Analog Devices Inc. Ireland is a pro-talent economy that provides ADI with a highly skilled, globally minded workforce. Martin Carter, Senior Vice President of Vertical Business Units and President of EMEI ADI, that's like expanded Middle East area. So probably he travels to Dubai a lot. A shared vision for long-term growth. Ireland continues to refine its offering for global tech businesses, with IDA Ireland creating the conditions for their ongoing success through dedicated national strategies. IDA Ireland's partnership with tech companies is grounded in a shared ambition to position Ireland, a staging ground, and the global technology sector to reach its fullest potential, says Michael Lohan, CEO of IDA Ireland. Nurturing talent, enabling world-class innovation, and supporting long-term sustainable growth are at the heart of what we do. In this way, we empower tech companies to thrive and ensure Ireland continues as a leader in the evolving global technology landscape. Mr. Carter highlights ADI's long-standing collaboration with IDA Ireland as a key factor in its confidence for growth. IDA Ireland supported our catalyst idea from the outset, not just with investment, but with a shared ambition, he says. We've partnered with IDA Ireland for over 4 decades, sharing the same values and vision for long-term innovation-led growth. So IDA Ireland, IDA, bring talent, pro-business, a staging ground for industrial transformation, supporting businesses. ADI, Analog Devices Inc. Well, it's just a pure advertisement, but if you happen to be a semiconductor business, you can contact IDA and you can build your factory there, because they have, they could bring talent, supporting infrastructure and innovation for you in the IDA Ireland. It must be like a economic zone where you could build your factory, research hub, and have fun, right? Mr. Carter, who is in charge of EMEA of ADI, was interviewed by IDA Ireland. Before I go, I would like to go over what I marked to remember: a residency-based master's degree, right? Ireland has positioned itself as a staging ground for industrial transformation, a pro-business environment, cutting-edge research, advanced fabrication facilities, advanced fabrication facilities. Well, that's it. Thanks for listening. Have a great hump day. Bye-bye.